You've just been raided by another streamer on Twitch. But now what do you do? What are the next best steps to take? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a few different tips on how to make the most out of being raided on Twitch and how to actually deal with raids. Just before we get into this video, I'd like to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of this video, Owned Pro. If you're a streamer who uses OBS and you like to change your overlays often, then Owned Pro is for you. With Owned Pro, it's super easy to change overlays and alerts within a couple of seconds. The only thing you have to do is choose your desired design and click install. You already have access to some free packs, but if you wanted to choose from any of the 400 plus packs at any time, it'll just cost you a small fee every month. All you got to do is go and click the link in the description and go and try out Owned Pro today. So, when a raid comes in on Twitch, you only have 10 seconds before they do one of two things. The first thing is that they either follow you and stick around, or the second thing is they just go and leave to go and watch someone else. We want the first one to happen. Now, after you've kept them interested for the first 10 seconds, you then need to keep them interested for the next 10 seconds, and the next 10 seconds, and the next 10 seconds. You get the idea. This is the moment you need to be confident in yourself. You need to know what's going on. You need to make them feel welcome. You need to make them feel at home. You need to engage. So the first proper tip is kind of before you actually start your stream. And this one is turning off your follower-only chat. Please, whatever you do, turn your follower-only chat off. People are much more likely to just leave straight after the raid if they see you've got follower-only chat on. They're being forced to follow. No one wants to be forced to do anything. You want your community to make their own decisions. Trust me. Turning off follower-only chat just makes you a lot more trustworthy and not so hungry for followers. This tip was actually part of a video I did last week called How to Get More Raids. Go and check out this video after you've watched this one. It's got some good tips in there for you. So the second thing that you're going to want to do when you receive a raid is you want to introduce yourself. The amount of times I've been part of a raid and people haven't even introduced themselves. This could be a couple of sentences about yourself or what you're doing on the stream, but this will be the first time that people actually know that you even exist. So make them feel at home, give them a little intro to yourself, make them feel welcome. For example, you could say who you are, where you're from, what you do, what people expect to see from your channel. Just keep it short and sweet, give them a nice little intro, and you could also finish it off by saying something like, thank you so much for choosing me as your raid this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you're from in the world. I really do appreciate it, and crack on with your stream. Now, the next tip in this video is don't panic. Now, I know this is a lot easier said than done, especially with a big raid, but it's time to pull up your pants. It's time to pull up your pants because you know what? It's showtime. Your main goal for your stream, and especially with raids, is to try and keep as many people there as possible. This goes for your whole stream, but especially when a raid comes in. People feed off of your energy. If you're looking really panicked and really lost and you just don't know what to do, chances are your audience won't know what to do either. And before you know it, they're gone, mate. Take a deep breath and enjoy it. Just enjoy it. The next tip on how to deal with raids on Twitch is to hype it up. Whether the raid is 5 people, 50 people, 500 people, or 5,000 people, always hype it up. Treat it all the same. The streamer who has just raided you is trusting you with their community. They're trusting you. Out of thousands and thousands and thousands of streamers, they're trusting you. And if you impress the streamer and make them feel welcome, they'll be coming back to raid you again and again and again. Here's a couple of clips from my streams of me being raided, just so I can give you an example.
I'm at the Hotel California, yo, any time of year, you can find it here. Yo, Geico Music, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Yeah, baby. Welcome, Raiders. My name is Leon Bratt. I am a singer-songwriter and a loop pedal artist from the UK, and a loop pedal artist from the UK. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to my house. Guy, if there is a song that we can play for you, mate, please do get in the song list and get one requested. I only said the Roxanne then. Maybe if I... Yo! Auto! Bro! How are we doing? Legend, mate. Legend. Welcome Raiders, my name is Leon Bratz. I'm a singer-songwriter and a loop pedal artist, and I'm also from the UK. Auto, mate, how was your stream, dude? How was your stream? Right, we are going to play some Hey Ya by Outkast. This one is for Auto and the Raiders. And Auto, if there's a song we can play for you, mate, please do check out the song list and get on requested.
The next tip in this video is actually asking the streamer how their stream was. Ask them what they got up to in their stream. You could ask them the highlight of their stream. Ask the Raiders questions. Just get them involved. This will help you tremendously with growing your audience, gaining more followers, and gaining more trust in your viewers. The next tip is always giving the streamer who's just raided you, giving them a shout out. This takes 2 seconds to tell your community to go and drop them a follow, just as a little thank you for the raid. You could either do that, or you could have a command where one of your mods gives them a shout out, and people will follow from there. If you wanted to learn a little bit more about the shout out command, and if you wanted to use my personal shout out command, I would recommend you check out this video here. The shout out command is in that video for you. If you're a musician on Twitch like myself, then the next thing you could do is actually offer them a priority request. This is a great way of keeping the community involved straight after the raid, because once that streamer has chosen a song for you to do, people will be interested in seeing what you, the new streamer, does with their choice of song. This one's for the musicians as well. If you have a song list and you've got a queue open, then tell the raiders how they can request a song. If you've got a command, say a how-to command, just let them know that command exists and let them know how they can get a song into the queue at that current time. There we go. That was how to deal with raids on Twitch and how to actually make the most out of being raided on Twitch. If you did enjoy this video, then please do smash that thumbs up button as hard as you can. Come and join me on one of the Twitch streams. I go live every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. If you've got any questions that you wanted to ask, then please do leave them in the comments below, or come and join the Discord. There's over 500 people in the Discord already, and it's growing very, very fast. But for now, take it easy. Have an amazing week. I love you. Peace.